spiritual master is representative of Krishna. Krishna sends some sincere devotee to act on his behalf, and therefore he is spiritual master. So, this is the parampara system. As you receive knowledge, step by step, Narayana, Krishna instructed Vyasadeva, Brahma instructed Narada, Narada instructed Vyasadeva, Vyasadeva instructed his disciple Madhvacarya. In this way, we have to go through also the same way. First of all, offer respect to the spiritual master, as he has done to Sukadeva Gosvami. Vyasa-sunum, upayami, gurum, muninam. So then his spiritual master, then his spiritual master, then his spiritual master. Just you have got the pictures. First of all your spiritual master, then his spiritual master, his spiritual master, his spiritual master, and ultimately Krishna. This is the process. Don't try to approach Krishna directly, jump over. That is useless. As you receive knowledge through the steps, parampara system, similarly, we should approach Krishna through these steps.